Black Tourmaline is a really great crystal for goal setting. Not only does it help you to set goals and to be really clear on what's important to you, but it also helps you stick to them as well. So what I recommend doing is getting really clear with what you want to manifest in your life. Now, a really great time to do this is around a new moon, especially if you've got a short-term goal and you can kind of work on it in the next 28 days of that lunar cycle. If you've got a bigger goal, you might want to break it down to 28-day cycles and do it moon by moon by moon. As you sit down, have your black tourmaline nearby you and write out what you want to manifest. Now, you want to be really clear. Imagine that you are ordering with the universe. So if you just go, oh, I don't want this and I don't want that, the universe goes back to the kitchen and goes, I don't know what they want. Be really clear, really succinct with yourself and the universe and write that down. And if you're not exactly sure, meditate with black tourmaline first to get that real clarity. Now, once you've got that really clear, and as I said, on a new moon is a perfect night to do it on, meditate with your black tourmaline, hold it in your right hand or whichever hand you write with. That's our projective hand for most of us. If you're left-handed, use your left, and send that vision into the black tourmaline. Continue to keep tourmaline with you after you've done this, especially for that period of time until that goal manifests or to the end of that lunar cycle. Whether you wear it, have a small tumbled stone, or keep a piece nearby you, it's going to work as a bodyguard, and it helps to kind of keep away distractions and things that may threaten to steer you off course. Did you know, on average, people give up on their New Year's resolutions by the 11th of January? So whether it be the start of a new year, the start of a lunar cycle, or any day whatsoever, if you find you set a goal and then a couple of weeks later, it's gone out the window and you get a bit kind of despondent and annoyed at yourself, then black tourmaline might be one that will actually help you stay stuck to that goal and keep on pursuing it if it is really important to you. That's why it's important to meditate with black tourmaline first and get really clear on what you truly want, and it's something that you really desire rather than, oh, that would be nice if it kind of happened type of thing. So if you've got a goal and you're ready to make it happen, keep black tourmaline with you as your constant companion through the goal setting, through as everything unfolds, and even through the celebration as well. A balancing and protective crystal that moves distractions out of the way is exactly what you need for your goals to become reality right now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Barralet. Blessed be.